Hey, guys. Welcome back to the iMyFone channel. Are you experiencing the frustrating situation where your iPhone is stuck on the Apple logo, flashing on the screen, and refusing to turn on? Well, fear not. This video is here to assist you with 3 simple methods to restore your phone to its normal state. For your convenience, let me walk you through 2 methods that won't cause any data loss, using Fixppo and doing a force restart. Lastly, I'll discuss the 3rd method, which involves using iTunes to fix your phone. Just remember, this method will erase your data. Method 1. Use the iOS repair tool Fixppo. Fixppo can fix your iPhone troubles and no data will be erased. Step 1. You can first download it and see how to use it. Now open Fixppo and choose Standard Mode. Connect your iPhone to the computer. And then click on Download to get the firmware that will be later used for the fixing process. The whole downloading will take you up to 15 minutes or so. You may wait for it to complete. And begin the last step. Click on Start and check the instruction carefully to bring your iPhone into recovery mode. For iPhone 8 and above, instantly click and release the volume up key and then the volume down key. Press and hold the side button until you see this. Fixppo will instantly start to fix your iPhone and finish it in 5 minutes. Try not to touch the cable when Fixppo is working or your iPhone may be disconnected. Then it's done. Let's start by rebooting your iPhone. You'll see that the annoying restarting issue is gone, and you can use your phone without any worries. Method 2. Force restart iPhone. Simply press and let go of both the volume up and down buttons, then press the side button until you see the Apple logo. This method has a very low success rate, and as you can see, it has failed. Method 3. Restore iPhone via iTunes. Please note that iTunes will result in erasing everything from your device. Step 1. Connect your device to the computer and open iTunes. Step 2. Put your iPhone in recovery mode. For iPhone 8 and later, press the volume up and then volume down keys. Keep holding the power button. Wait until the recovery mode appears. Step 3. Your device's information will now be shown. Click on the Restore iPhone. Now, your phone is up and running, but all your data is gone. If you want to fix your phone and keep your data safe, I highly recommend using the professional repair tool Fixppo. Alright, that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you find these methods helpful, share them with your friends. Can't wait to see you in the next video.